Bow products. Feather Duo is a pressure comb designed to virtually eliminate kickback when using a circular saw router table or bandsaw. It features a sec grip system with unique EVA feathers and a live hinge design which firmly presses the workpiece against the stop while absorbing recoil forces 5 times more effectively than plastic or wooden feathers. The EVA feathers provide a larger contact area, ensuring a smoother glide and superior feed control. Unlike plastic feathers, this system reduces vibration and minimizes rattle, resulting in cleaner, more precise cuts with no marks, even on softwood. The replaceable and interchangeable feathers let you switch between ultra-flexible and standard options. Plus, they won't damage carbide blades or cutters upon accidental contact. The patented Anchor Pro groove attachment expands quickly for a secure hold, and the ergonomic handles make setup effortless. Let me introduce you to an incredible tool that can completely transform the way you paint true light. This device attaches directly to your sprayer, enhancing its capabilities with 2 essential functions in one. The first is a color checker. Its transparent lens provides light that closely mimics natural sunlight, allowing you to assess paint shades accurately even indoors or at night. The second function is illumination. A matte lens diffuses light evenly, preventing glare on freshly applied paint, ensuring you see every detail, even in dimly lit spaces. True Light is highly versatile, coming with 4 different rubber rings to fit most paint sprayers on the market. Just choose the right one and attach it effortlessly. You can even adjust the brightness using full power for precision work or dimmed light for general illumination. The battery lasts up to 2 hours at full brightness and an additional hour at 50% power, with a quick recharge time of just a couple of hours. High-performance electric cutter designed for quick and efficient cutting of fabrics, ropes, belts, and more. Equipped with a high-carbon steel heating element, this tool rapidly heats up within seconds, ensuring precise and clean cuts without fraying the edges. Powered by an 18-volt battery, it offers cordless convenience for professional use. To enhance efficiency and prevent overheating, the cutter features a built-in air cooling system with a small fan. A charge and temperature indicator lets you monitor battery life and overheating risks. The durable plastic housing ensures long-lasting use, and replacing the heating element is quick and easy, requiring just 2 screws. DEWALT Impact Connect PVC PEX cutter is a game-changer for anyone working with piping. It delivers clean, precise cuts with minimal effort thanks to its impact driver compatibility. The brace bracket ensures stability and control, making it easy to use even in tight spaces. Built for durability and efficiency, it slices through PVC and PEX like butter, saving time on every job. If you need a reliable, high-performance cutting tool, this is a must-have for plumbers and contractors. Kreg KPHA 750 docking station is a fantastic upgrade for anyone using a pocket hole jig, providing extra support and stability for larger workpieces. Its wings fold out easily, giving you a solid base, while also doubling as handy storage compartments for accessories. The quick setup and secure clamping make drilling pocket holes smoother and more precise. Built with durability in mind, it enhances efficiency for both DIYers and professionals. If you want to take your Kreg jig setup to the next level, this docking station is a must-have. Disston QUICKCORE 13 PC set is a game-changer for professionals and DIYers, offering quick-change hole saws that make swapping sizes effortless. The patented QUICKCORE technology allows for easy core ejection, saving time and frustration. With 9 hole saw sizes, it covers a wide range of applications from wood to metal. The durable bi-metal construction ensures long-lasting performance and clean cuts. If you want efficiency and precision in your hole cutting tasks, this set is a must-have. Lincoln Portable Welding Table is a sturdy foldable workbench perfect for welding projects in small spaces or on the go. Its 21 inches by 44 inches steel surface provides ample workspace, while the built-in slots allow for easy clamping. The heavy-duty construction ensures durability, and the folding legs make storage and transport effortless. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this versatile and portable table is a great addition to any workshop. This pipe tube polisher attachment transforms your angle grinder into a powerful belt sander, making it perfect for polishing, sanding, and rust removal on pipes and curved surfaces. Designed to fit 5/8, 11 spindle thread angle grinders, it offers smooth operation and precise control. The adjustable belt system 20-40 millimeter width ensures versatility for different projects, and it includes 10 sanding belts for immediate use. Whether you're working with stainless steel, aluminum, or other metals, this attachment delivers professional quality results with ease. SKILSAW SPT 5511. Sawsquatch is a game-changer for heavy-duty carpentry, combining the power of a worm drive saw with the versatility of a chainsaw. Its 16-inch blade makes cutting thick beams, engineered lumber, and timbers effortless, while maintaining precision and control. The legendary worm drive gearing ensures smooth, consistent power, perfect for framing and large-scale woodworking. Built for tough job sites, it's durable, yet surprisingly easy to handle. If you need a high-performance saw for deep cuts without sacrificing accuracy, this tool is a must-have. SPTA Cordless Mini Polisher is a compact yet powerful tool for polishing, sanding, and cleaning with ease. Its 12-volt cordless design provides freedom of movement, making it perfect for spot repairs and hard-to-reach areas on cars. With RO/DA modes, it adapts to different polishing needs, ensuring a swirl-free finish. The included polishing and wool pads offer versatility for various surfaces and detailing tasks. Lightweight and user-friendly, this mini polisher is a must-have for auto enthusiasts and professionals alike. DIY 24-in-1 magnetic screwdriver. Set 2024 upgrade is a versatile, all-in-one tool designed for precision and durability. Featuring 24 interchangeable bits, it's perfect for electronics household repairs and DIY projects. The magnetic design ensures easy bit changes and secure fastening, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip. Compact and portable, this set is a must-have for any toolbox, a reliable solution for tackling various tasks with ease. Ryobi 1+18 V Cordless 120-watt soldering iron delivers precision and portability for all your soldering needs. With a rapid heat-up time, it reaches the ideal temperature, quickly making it perfect for electronics wiring and DIY repairs. The cordless design provides maximum flexibility, while the ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use. A built-in LED indicator keeps you informed of heating status, a reliable tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. SnowJoe 15-amp electric snowblower is a powerful and efficient solution for clearing snow with ease. Its 22-inch clearing width tackles large paths quickly, while dual LED lights provide visibility in low-light conditions. The maintenance-free electric motor ensures hassle-free operation, eliminating the need for gas or oil. A bonus cover protects the machine when not in use, extending its lifespan, perfect for driveways, sidewalks, and winter storms. Exos Shoulder Pad is an innovative, lightweight exoskeleton designed to minimize physical strain and enhance worker comfort. It helps reduce fatigue in the shoulders and neck, promoting better long-term health during demanding tasks. Weighing just 5.29 pounds, it is one of the lightest in its category, ensuring unrestricted movement while working. Its ergonomic design allows for easy adjustments and in cleaning, making it ideal for all-day wear. For added relief, an optional neck support can be included, making overhead tasks even more comfortable. This exoskeleton is perfect for continuous or repetitive work, whether you're installing drywall, sanding, scraping surfaces, finishing walls or ceilings, or performing other installation jobs.